Imagine a world where one country's money is used almost everywhere. From buying oil to trading goods between nations, one currency dominates the global economy, the US dollar. But why does the dollar hold so much power? The story begins after World War II. In 1944, many countries gathered in the United States to rebuild the global financial system during the Bretton Woods Conference. At this meeting, the United States promised that its dollar would be backed by gold, and many countries linked their currencies to the dollar. Because the U.S. had the strongest economy at the time, the dollar quickly became the most trusted currency in the world. Even after the gold system ended in 1971, the dollar remained dominant. One major reason is global trade, because many important resources, especially oil, are priced and traded in U.S. dollars, a system often called the Petrodollar System. This means that countries around the world need dollars to buy oil and trade internationally, which keeps demand for the currency very high. Another reason is trust in the American financial system. The Federal Reserve manages the supply of dollars and plays a major role in global finance, while investors trust U.S. markets because they are large, stable, and transparent. Today, the U.S. dollar is involved in nearly 90% of global currency transactions, and many countries keep billions of dollars in their reserves to protect their economies during financial crises. Because of this, when the dollar becomes stronger or weaker, it can affect economies all around the world. In many ways, the U.S. dollar is more than just money. It is one of the most powerful forces shaping the global economy. And as long as the world continues to trust it, the dollar will likely remain the center of global finance. Dollar banknote chart increasing.